So today, here's a different person doing something called Callie Cat. Say hi, Callie Cat.
Hi.
And she's gonna do this role play all by herself. So she starts now.
Oh, it's a nice day. I'm gonna wait until my mom and dad wake up. But I'm gonna ask if I could have a sleepover with my friends. With the box.
She wasn't prepared.
Okay, I'm gonna get this box, put my tablet in it, and then my princess stuff. I always wore my princess stuff.
It's full.
Oh. I might need a bigger box.
Maybe.
A suitcase. Maybe your suitcase.
And maybe this.
Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay, so open that. I'm gonna put that. My book. I like. Then put my clothes in there. Okay, put my clothes in there. Put that in there. That. I'm gonna bring some toys with me because they might not have toys I like. And I'm gonna bring my potion. I'm gonna bring put this in there. Oh, I don't want to bring that. I'm gonna bring my duck. Now let me go ask my mommy. And then I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna sneak it out of daddy's hand. Sneak it out of daddy's hand. Put it in there. Okay. Mommy. Yes? Oh, yes? Could I have a sleepover at my friend's? Yes, you can. You've been good lately. Which pacifier do you want to take? My Ryan. Okay. I need to put it in here because here's your toiletry bag with all that stuff out. Okay. And so you're gonna be needing your shampoo because they might want you to take a shower there or a bath. And then I'm gonna get you a robe, your robe. And then that'll be it. Do you already have a bag?
Guys, she picked random characters to be the mom and dad, so yeah.
Yeah, and then I made the child.
Yeah.
Oh, get that out of your hand, Mommy. Okay, Daddy's gonna stay here. Do you want breakfast? Yeah, you want breakfast. Okay, I'm gonna go make breakfast.
I don't care. She's talking to me.
She was talking to me first.
See, I know.
Sorry, guys.
We were whispering to each other.
Yeah.
We don't want you guys to hear it.
Yeah. We don't like people hearing us that much. Hearing our conversation. Okay, I'm gonna give her some bottles.
What is this for?
She might want cereal. Okay. Okay, your food's ready. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me hold those. I got out myself. I'm gonna put these in your toiletry bag, okay? Okay.
It actually doesn't take forever now.
Yeah.
Whoa. You can try and voice the family. You just don't know their like routine or anything.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna knock on their door. Is it fine if I go get them?
Yeah. Or you can just get them from that button.
Yeah, I know. But it feels way more better doing that.
We forgot to put the parents.
Yeah.
Wait, I think the dad goes to here. I think the dad goes to here.
This dad?
Yeah.
But it's theirs. Is this the mom?
Yeah. Let's just put the dad in. Be sleeping, I guess.
Yeah.
I changed
Knock,
their
knock,
hair.
knock. Oh, you're sleeping.
She doesn't even know anything about this house, so.
Yeah. I like the walk effect. It's like the real walking.
But I'm gonna show you what it does. When, like, it goes moving, but when you go to this, it goes like that. I like it better like this.
Sorry, guys.
I was just showing her something.
Yeah. Ugh, I hear something.
We're doing this outside, so we're gonna hear lots of weird things, you know.
Yeah.
Like, why do we smell grass right now?
Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Oh. Could she have a sleepover? I guess. Here's that stuff. Hello. Bye. Okay, right up here.
Can I have it turn up the role play?
Yeah, just a second. Okay. Where's she gonna be sleeping at?
I know.
So the kids are still sleeping. Did you bring that nighttime outfit? Yeah, I did. Okay. Okay, is it in the suitcase?
Where did it go? Oh, there it is.
She's just gonna stick those in there. Key.
That's where the kids' clothes go.
Well, if you want to go change it to these.
She changed in the middle of the room.
Yeah, I know.
Disgusting.
Well,
I kind of do that with the old
those.
series anyways.
Okay.
They change in the room, the toddlers. Okay,
then
time to put you down. Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna do her speaking, okay?
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna just go here.
Okay. Where am I gonna be sleeping?
I wonder if I can wake them up.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Do you want to play?
Yeah, I brought some toys with me. And I brought my tablet.
Okay, I just don't have ranch toys. Let me see your toys.
And I have that pad. I like to play with. Oh, that's just my toilet tea bag.
Do you know how to drink out of this by yourself?
Yeah. Do you?
Yeah. We got good shampoo here. You don't need shampoo.
Well, my mom wanted me dipping shampoo.
Okay, I'm just gonna put the shampoo over there. And don't use it, okay? You know how
I
to
wasn't
brush-
done making my house.
I didn't. Callie Cat wasn't done making her house, but that's okay. Do you know how to brush your hair by yourself? I do.
Yeah.
I'm only 3 years old. How are you?
I am full.
How old were you when you knew how to brush your hair?
V.
Okay. Do you know how to put on clothes by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you know how to put this on by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have
Because
a
no
place.
one's here is going to help you, so.
That's my clothes.
You can check out your toys. I hate this one.
You don't have to be rude.
I hate this one. I hate this one. I'm going to throw that one at you.
Ow! That hurt. I'm telling your mommy.
I hate that one. I hate that one. I hate that one. I don't like your clothes. Your clothes look stupid. I hate that one. I hate your clothes. Oopsies. Ah.
Did I take her to it? I'm gonna go tell your mommy. One of your kids threw one of my toys at me in the head, and he said Fanny. Fanny hit me with my toys, and he said my clothes are ugly, and she didn't like my toys. What? She's in big trouble. She's in big trouble.
Okay, now my turn. I know what to say. I'm real mad. Real mad.
Yeah.
Okay, then the dad hears about that, so oops.
The dad's right there.
We're real mad. We're real mad. We're taking away all your toys.
What?
You get them taken away every time. If you want to have them, you better not do that again. You better not be bad again, 3-year-old.
Should we go see if Journey's still up there? Why playing that?
No.
I'm not having no trouble.
Okay. Time to put you in timeout. Timeout now. I'm taking that off. Okay, we're real mad. Let's pack her stuff back. Wait, no, this went from in here.
Yeah, it was in the
Thing. Yeah, that one in, that one in. This came from there. This came from there. That, and that,
No,
and
can I
that.
do timeout corner real quick on there?
I already have a time. This is where they go timeout.
I know one, too. So,
just a second. She's making a timeout corner.
yeah.
You make me glad.
I'm gonna put that right there.
They sit in high chairs.
I'm just gonna do that because you have a bunch of kids. Oh,
Well, the babies don't go in timeout. The babies don't go in timeout. Babies don't go in timeout. But that's okay.
and I'm taking that pacifier away. What?
Okay, my turn.
Can you please have it back?
No.
No, you can't have it back until you say sorry.
Okay, let's put this right.
He's sleeping on top of the child. Sorry, that wasn't meant to happen.
Yeah, that wasn't meant to happen. Hey, wait, play with your friend. My friend? Yeah, there's a friend here. Okay.
When did he come?
Let's play. I'm sorry, my sister's a little bit mean.
It's okay.
You came up with that bad idea the last time. What bad idea? The idea to drill on the walls. No, I didn't. That was your idea.
Yeah. No, I didn't. That was your idea. And your sister was in timeout.
I'm so sorry. My sister's just mean.
It's okay. I brought toys with me, and she said my clothes look ugly, and my toys look ugly.
Okay, let me play with you.
Okay. I bought my tablet too.
Okay, let's play.
What next?
Me. Wait.
What roleplay do you want to do next?
Me. They gotta go to sleep now.
Do you have any teenagers? How many teenagers do you have?
I don't have teenagers in this family.
But
I
how
have-
much
this is-
teenagers do you have though?
In the other family, 4.
Yeah, Four. Okay. Can we use some of those in next roleplay? You want to
Yeah.
do the mean teenager?
We gotta start making them go to sleep.
Yeah.
Time to go to sleep, okay, guys?
But next roleplay, do you want to do the mean teenager? You wanna
Okay.
do that?
Yeah. Okay, here's your bed.
Why is
Actually,
Cigarette
since
in
Fanny
here?
has been mean today, you go into that bed. What the?
Where am I gonna sleep?
You're gonna sleep in those beds.
Oh,
You're gonna put that
I
up and
want to
put
go
your
back
bed.
to my house.
And that's the end of the role play. Bye bye.
Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Okay, bye bye.
And then you have to go post it.
Yeah.